Hi, guys, welcome to Business Snap YouTube channel. Here I can provide you finance, investing and business updates. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. According to sources familiar with the matter, Apple company asked suppliers for 90 million new generation iPhones to be built this year. This is a significant increase on its 2020 iPhone shipments. In recent years, the Cupertino-based tech giant has managed to maintain a steady level of approximately 75 million units for the initial run of a device's release through the end. According to the updated forecast, 2021 will see the company's first iPhone launch. Additional demand will be created by the rollout COVID-19 vaccines. Apple's next iPhones will feature 5G technology, which is a major incentive for users to upgrade. People spoke out to say that this year's update will be smaller than the iPhone 12 and emphasize processor, camera, and display improvements. They ask not to be identified as the plans aren't public. Apple plans to update all current models, including the 5.4-inch, 6.1-inch regular and the 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch Pro versions. Due to the recovery of the supply chain, the phones codenamed D16 and D17, D63 and D64 will be announced in September. The new models will at least one feature a low-temperature, polycrystalline oxide display that can alternate its refresh rate depending on the content. This technology has been used in Apple Watches for many years. It allows the screen to run slower in certain situations, such as always-on mode. This helps extend the battery life. Oppo, OnePlus, and Samsung Electronics Company all have LTPO screens in the flagship phones. For improved power efficiency and responsiveness, the new iPhones with LTPO screens will also feature indium gallium zirconium oxide technology. The design of the new Apple phones will not change, but the company plans on reducing the size of its front-facing camera cutout and face unlock sensor cutout to make it more competitive. The company plans to remove the notch completely in the next iPhone version and will likely shrink it further next year. A spokesperson for Apple declined to comment. Apple's camera upgrades will focus on advanced video recording features like improved optical zoom. The upgraded system on chip will be built around the same 6 cores of the A14 chip. Although the company tested an in-display fingerprint reader for this year's devices this year, it is unlikely that this feature will be available on this generation. Apple is building momentum after the iPhone 12's release in 2020. It may continue to reap the benefits of 5G smartphone upgrades, an improved smartphone market and another strong release. The iPhone 12 was released in 2020 later than usual, but the iPhone 12's expected growth is still distorted. However, the iPhone 12 is expected to be back in September, as the next iPhone will be released in October. Matthew Canterman, analyst. Apple has requested suppliers to produce up to 90 million units. However, one person said that the actual number may be just a few million less than that. According to another source familiar with the strategy, Huawei Technologies Company's sanction-stricken smartphone company is a key factor in Apple's increased shipment orders. Some people stated that the ongoing shortage of chips, which has hampered operations in many global industries, is unlikely to have an impact on the production of the upcoming iPhones. Apple is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company largest customer, making the launch of a new iPhone an event suppliers plan months ahead for. TSMC shares rose by 1.3% following the Apple report on its upgraded output plans. Other supply partners include Taiwanese connector and power pack manufacturer Cheng Ui Precision Industry Company, which saw a 9% increase, and Largan Precision Company, which saw a 2.4% increase. Renesas Electronics Corp. and Alps Alpine Company were positively impacted as well. Citigroup raised Apple profit estimates. After acquiring iPhone assembly facilities from Wistron Corporation, Luxshare Precision Industry Corporation will play a greater role in China this year. Hunhai Precision Industry Company, assembler, will dominate orders for 6.7-inch Pro Max models and split the 6.1-inch Pro Max with Luxshare and the regular iPhone 6.1-inch with Pegatron Corp. Pegatron will be expected to produce all 5.4-inch units. Apple has several products planned for this year beyond the new iPhones. These include new MacBook Pro laptops with custom Apple chips, redesigned iPad mini models, entry-tier iPad models, and Apple Watches with updated displays. Apple will begin production of the new MacBook Pro during the third quarter, after overcoming issues with mini LED screens which also hampered the launch of the iPad Pro. Apple has hired Luxshare to split the order for a mini LED component in the new MacBook Pro. This is to resolve the supply problem. The component was previously ordered by Taiwan Surface Mounting Technology Corporation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. Business Snap. Finance and investing updates.